Which is the longest river in the world? A. Nile, B. Amazon, C. Yangtze, D. Yellow. It is A. Nile. The Nile River, considered as the longest river in the world, is approximately 6,853 kilometers long. The river passes through 11 African countries. Which vitamin helps for clotting of blood? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin K, D. Vitamin C. It is C. Vitamin K. Vitamin K helps to make 4 of the 13 proteins needed for blood clotting, which stops wounds from continuous bleeding. Which actor has got the longest standing ovation at the Oscars? A. Walt Disney, B. Katharine Hepburn, C. Charlie Chaplin, D. Leonardo DiCaprio. It is C. Charlie Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin had received a 12-minute long standing ovation at the 44th Academy Awards in 1972, which is the longest in Oscars history. How much percentage of brain do we use? A. 20%, B. 40%, C. 100%, D. 26%. It is C. 100%. The majority of the brain is almost always active. The percentage of the brain in use at any given time varies from person to person. Which of the following floats in water? A. Apple, B. Grapes, C. Kiwi, D. Orange without peel. It is A. Apple. Apples float in the water because they are less dense than the water, meaning they are buoyant. Which country's national anthem has no lyrics? A. France, B. Spain, C. Italy, D. Seychelles. It is B. Spain. The Spanish national anthem, the Marcha Real, is also one of the oldest in existence, with the first record of the Royal March being used dated to 1761. What is the real name of hashtag? A. Tilde, B. Octothorpe, C. Caret, D. Asterisk. It is B. Octothorpe. A hashtag is used to categorize content and make it more discoverable. Which of the following uses letters from only a single row of the QWERTY keyboard? A. Keyboard, B. Stenograph, C. Typewriter, D. Telegraph. It is C. Typewriter. Some of the other words include peppertree, perpetuity, proprietor, and repertoire. What is the national game of the United States of America? A. Basketball, B. Baseball, C. Ice hockey, D. Football. It is B. Baseball. Baseball is a bat and ball game played between two opposing teams of 9 players each that take turns batting and fielding, which is slightly similar to the cricket. Which of the following has white blood? A. Lizard, B. Cockroach, C. Housebug, D. Mosquito. It is B. Cockroach. Cockroaches' blood is colorless due to absence of hemoglobin. Cockroaches do not transport oxygen through their blood. Which is the world's largest island? A. Madagascar, B. Australia, C. Greenland, D. New Guinea. It is C. Greenland. Greenland is officially the world's largest island that is not a continent. It is located between the Atlantic and the Arctic Ocean. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? A. Mercury, B. Mars, C. Venus, D. Jupiter. It is C. Venus. The thick atmosphere of the Venus traps heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect, making it the hottest planet in our solar system with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Which is the largest country by area? A. Russia, B. Canada, C. China, D. USA. It is A. Russia. Russia is the world's largest country by landmass, nearly twice as big as Canada, the world's second largest nation. In which ocean Bermuda Triangle region is located? A. Atlantic, B. Pacific, C. Indian, D. Arctic. It is A. Atlantic. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, is a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where a number of aircrafts and ships are said to have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. What is the resolution of the human eye? A. 108 megapixel, B. 572 megapixel, C. 106 megapixel, D. 576 megapixel. It is D. 576 megapixel. The human eye has a resolution of 576 megapixels, that is 50 times more than an iPhone's camera.